This question says the period of oscillation of a simple pendulum of constant length at surface of Earth is T. Its time period inside a mine would be. So first, let's see what is expression for time period of a simple pendulum. Time period of a simple pendulum is given by T equal to 2 pi root L by G, right? Now we know that acceleration due to gravity is greatest on the surface and it decreases as we go away from it or into the surface. So here in a mine, we are going towards the center, so acceleration due to gravity is decreasing. I'll say Gm is acceleration due to gravity inside mine. So I know Gm is less than G. So Tm, time period inside a mine, would be equal to 2 pi root L by Gm. Because Gm is less, the denominator is less, the value will increase. So I can say time period inside mine is greater than time period on the surface. So the answer for this question would be more than T. That is option D. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.